peculiar, Seymour.
I'll explain everything to you tomorrow.
I can't leave you in this condition.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about anything. Feed me! Under no circumstances. Feed me! I will not step asking. Feed me! Look! I'll run down the corner and get you a pound of bare roast beef. No way. Look, it's my last offer, yes or no? It's better than nothing. Done, fine, great. And don't think you're getting dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took the Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, "Go to Seymour, talk to Seymour." I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Somebody here?
You're looking mighty sweet. Though it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe this!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with the dog. Will you do me a favor, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way.